Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video we'll see the unboxing of this CMF by Nothing 45 watt PPS Type C charger for my brand new Nothing 4A mobile. See here, this is the Nothing phone 4A and this is of black color, and with the package within the box content this data cable is provided, but there is no adapter, so I need to purchase it separately. Then I choose the 700 rupees CMF by Nothing 45 watts Type C charger. Remember, here nowhere it is mentioned like this is compatible for or this is for the 4A, but yet I purchased because my budget is less, because I spent 28,000 for this, 28 to 29,000. So I thought of going for this. But if you want really fast charging, you can go for CMF by Nothing 65 watt adapter, or directly Nothing adapter. CMF is also by Nothing, so I, within my low budget, I prefer this. Let me just open this and check. Yeah, this is the box, and if you have any doubt, better you can directly reach to Nothing website, official website, and from there you can actually purchase. It is mentioned like Nothing power of 45 watts. This is the white color. Okay, yeah, see here, this is the box. Okay, and this is the actual adapter. So let us check whether there is any Nothing brand here. Now I'll use this charging cable or the data cable to plug into this Nothing 4A mobile, and also I'll update how fast it is charging, because this is 45 watts only. It is better to have 65 watts, but still I'm okay with that. This is my personal choice. Okay, yeah, here it is mentioned like Nothing. Yeah, maybe I don't know. So here it is showing like output is 5 watts, 5 volts actually. Yes, these are the specifications which were given on the box. Okay, model is C298 and designed by Nothing. Okay, output. Okay, let me just plug in my phone for the first time and I'll see. Okay, as the data cable is C type to C type, here this adapter is also C type, so I can just plug in this Nothing data cable now. Yeah, see here, now I just plugged in here. When I plug in, see here, charging rapidly, it is saying charging rapidly. So what I'll do is, maybe I can test this, and if you do have any other questions you can just ask in the comments. Maybe in the next video what I'll do is I'll be checking the time of charge. Means maybe I can test like when the phone is in 20%, how much time it is taking to fill up to the 80%, means total 100%, how much time it is taking, so that you'll get an idea. So if you do have any other question you can just ask in the comments. Anyway, I'll try to tag this and also the 65 watt one. Yeah.